So this is where it becomes a little tricky or a little bit confusing if you don't pay attention. So if I have black hair, I can have the genotype B1, B1. I can be B1, B2. B1, B3, or B1, little b. So, as long as I have a B1, it signifies that my hair is going to be black. But I carry an allele for brown hair, or blonde hair, or red hair. Okay? So it is possible for two people with black hair to have a child with red hair if they both have this genotype. Okay? Now, if I have brown hair, I cannot be B2, B1 because there's still a B1, which means you're still going to have black hair because it's more dominant than brown. But I could be B2, B2. I can be B2, B3, or B2, little b. So much like with the brown hair, you cannot be for blonde B3, B1 because B1 still signifies a more dominant allele. You can't be B3, B2 because that would mean you would have brown hair because you still have a B2. But you can be B3, B3, or B3, little b. And down here with red, that only leaves me two little b's. Okay, let's do an example. So, mom has black hair, and she's B1, B3, and dad has blonde hair. He's B3, little b. Let's figure out what our possible kids will be. So, here's your Punnett Square. We'll put B1 over one box, B3 over another, and then on the side, B3 next to one box, and a little b next to another. Then, fill your boxes in. Big letters before small letters, numbers in order. So this first box would be B1, B3. Good. So phenotype and genotype ratios. Anything with a B1 in it means a possibility of black hair. I have two boxes with B1s. So black hair is 50%. Anything with a B3 in it is going to be blonde hair. For the genotypes, as you can see, each one of my boxes has a different genotype in it, so 25% apiece. So B1, B3 genotype is 25%. B3, B3, 25%. B1, little b, 25%. B3, little b, 25%. And there you go, multiple alleles.